right, if you follow my Instagram, you know that I recently allowed my followers to choose my next YouTube video, and JJ Evans at JJ Evans Music was who I chose, and he wanted me to discuss the upcoming fall trends for guys. So I was able to do a little research, and I found that there are 5 upcoming fall trends that guys must be on the lookout for and must be able to pull off in this fall season. And number 1 is light wash denim jeans. Now, if you're anything like me and love jeans, you should already have a pair of light wash denim jeans in your closet, whether it's a lighter shade of blue or even a pair of white jeans would definitely be dope this season to pair with maybe a white thermal or a sweater. Make sure you have a pair of light wash denim. All right, all of my fellas out there, if you enjoy having a backpack, or if you like having something to carry your things, a sling bag is the trendy bag for this season. They're hands-free. Most of them go around your torso, so they're very, very sexy, very classy. You're able to store your things inside, and they come in all different styles. I've seen black, I've seen brown, I've seen navy. So be on the lookout for sling bags, and make sure you get you one, because you don't want to be out here dropping your things on the ground, sir. So make sure you have a sling bag in your closet this fall. Number 3 is probably my favorite to see guys wear, and that is a neck scarf. Neck scarves are so manly to me. I always love to see guys in the winter wearing a neck scarf that's about up to here. Some of them are short and some of them are long. I don't care. Just make sure you have one this season. My dad loves them. Every time I have to shop for my dad for Christmas, I make sure that I grab a scarf, because he absolutely loves scarves, especially with a nice peak coat. Yes, make sure you have a scarf this season, guys. All right, so number 4 is mismatched prints. Now, I don't know how bold you are. I don't know if you like to mix prints or mix patterns, but that's gonna be one of the top trends this fall. So if you want to try it out, I suggest to start off very simple. So if you're into, let's say, polka dots or paisleys or stripes, you may want to start off with polka dot socks and maybe like a striped tie, or polka dot trousers and a solid shirt, and maybe like a solid colored scarf. I don't know if that sounds tacky. I'm not a guy. I don't style guys, but just know that mismatched prints are also in. Look on Pinterest for some inspiration, because I don't know. Number 5, last but not least, is corduroy. Corduroy is very clean, very old school. It reminds me of the 90s. I was born in 90s too. I had a lot of corduroy. So if you're into that, guys, get you some corduroy pants. I think it'll be very dope to pair corduroy pants with sweaters. I don't know if you can find them at your local Goodwill, or if you even go to Goodwill, but I think it'll be a good idea to go thrifting to find a lot of these different fall pieces, because some people don't like to spend too much on their clothes. So that's just my suggestion. So if you're looking to enhance your wardrobe this fall, I suggest to go thrifting, just to kind of excuse that noise, I'm sitting right by my window, but go thrifting first. Don't spend an arm and a leg trying to transform your closet, especially if you're trying new things. So I suggest Goodwill, the Salvation Army, Ragarama. It's so many up here in Atlanta if you're from the local area. So those are my top 5 fall trends for guys. Shout out to JJ. I'm gonna put his Instagram right below in the description box. So give him a shout out if you see him. Let him know that we're ready to see how he rocks his fall trends. All right.